Hi everyone, my name's Imperial and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to employ the GBU-38 JDAM bombs in the AV8B Harrier. I'll be showing you how you can ripple off a maximum of 10 bombs in one pass using the TPOD. This method allows you to do this while airborne, so you don't have to waste time making targets on the F10 map to load into the cast page. This also works for the GBU-32s and GBU-54s. So before we get started, I'll quickly take you through the steps. The most important thing you need to remember is that in the Harrier you need at least one physical waypoint input into the system and designate boxed on the EHSD for any type of auto bombing to work. So with that in mind, let's get on with the method. So first, we need to make mark points on each of the targets. It's important to remember that the TPOD doesn't actually see the target, so we have to place the mark point on the ground that the target is on top of. To do that, just salute to every target and press mark on the EHSD. Now we have to set our bombs up ready for use. So master arm on, select air to ground mode, click J82 in this example on either the stores page or the EHSD. Set the fuse, I have instant, then press waypoint increment for more than 0.8 seconds. Once you've done that, you should get N0 on the HUD. Once that's done, we have to slave the TPOD to the map by pressing slave on the TPOD. Select mark 0 on the EHSD, that takes you to the first mark point that you've created. Then fly into the target and when in range, hold weapon release. I'll go through the launch acceptability region in the cockpit. Also, it takes 1.5 seconds for the system to transfer the coordinates from the TPOD to the bomb, so keep holding until it's left the rail. Once it has, press waypoint increment and hold weapon release again. Do this until all 10 bombs are gone. So now, I'm going to take you through this in the cockpit. Right, now we're in the cockpit. The first thing that we have to do is get our TPOD up. But before we do anything, we have to make it our sensor of interest. To do this, we press sensor select down twice. This should now change this from INS to TPOD. Now we've found the targets, we need to put mark points on each of them, but remember it has to be on the ground that they're on top of to get the best accuracy. I'll show you 1, 2 or 3 and then skip to when I have them all. Now we have the mark points set, we need to set our bombs up for use. Select air to ground mode, put master arm on, select our bombs and set the fuse. Then we need to press and hold waypoint increment for more than 0.8 seconds to go into target of opportunity mode, shown by N0 on the HUD. Then you should see the launch acceptability region line. Then press slave on the TPOD and designate mark point 0 on the EHSD, shown by M0. And remember, none of this works unless you have at least one physical waypoint input into the Harrier and designate boxed on the EHSD. Now fly towards the target and wait until you're in range. Now, you can see on the HUD our launch acceptability region, shown by the circle. Once we start to see numbers counting from 1 to 100 to 1 again, we're effectively in range. However, I found the closer to 100 you are, the higher the chance your bomb will hit. So on a big ripple like this, I usually start dropping bombs from around 65. So let's do that now, shall we? Right guys, that's all from me. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.